Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Product Reviews Pro for WooCommerce. Introduction to Product Reviews Pro. In this video, we will explore WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro. This plugin enhances the default WooCommerce review system. Let's see how it works and why it's useful. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Select the Products tab and scroll down to Reviews. First, Product Reviews Pro utilizes all reviews under WooCommerce. This makes it easy to manage everything in one place. It extends WooCommerce by allowing customers to add more than just text reviews. They can include photos, videos, questions, and comments. This makes reviews more engaging and helpful. In the product review settings, we have contribution types. Admins can always reply, allow attachments, admin badges, sorting order, minimum word count, maximum word count, threshold for publication, flag contributions, moderation, enabled reviews, and product settings. You can also add review qualifiers. For example, ask customers if the product size was accurate. This gives you specific feedback to improve your products. The plugin includes a voting system. Customers can upvote or downvote reviews based on how helpful they are. You can also flag inappropriate content for moderation. Another great feature is preventing duplicate reviews. If a customer tries to leave another review, they will be prompted to update their existing one instead. All these features improve customer engagement. They make it easier for customers to share their experience and for you to gather valuable feedback. And that's it. In this video, we have explored WooCommerce Product Reviews Pro and how it enhances the default WooCommerce review system. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.